Previously, we had between 5 to 8 minutes for a check-in, a room, and with the new system, it's about a minute.
Sunborn London is a very different proposition to a normal hotel because we're a yacht instead of a building. The majority of our guests come for special occasions, so it makes service delivery very important to continue to make that special experience to the guests. The challenges we faced before we decided to change to Shiji was we felt that the PMS that we used to use wasn't fit for purpose. The service we were getting from the company providing the PMS was not up to standard and made our operation very difficult to run, especially as our POS and PMS were different companies and their interaction wasn't brilliant either.
I knew that moving from legacy system to Shiji, Daylight or Infrasys represented a big change in how people were working day to day. So it was crucial to make the transition feel manageable and supported rather than overwhelming.
People choosing if they want to book a room with us, they can do it online, they can pay online, they can check online as well. And then by coming at the reception, the only thing is they mention them names, we give them the card, and that's it. We just inform them what is happening in the area, what is happening in the hotel, and nothing else. And they have an amazing experience.
We have noticed since we moved to Shiji that we have been able to make our job more efficient. The fact that you are working with the same system for everything, it makes technology work better for us. We're working with a lot of very young people who are very much used to technology. While all technology still feels very alien to them, new technology like Shiji, it makes it very easy for them to learn the system and to learn the system properly, so it reduces the time of training, but at the same time, everybody feels it's a lot easier to understand what the system can do.
Collaboration between departments was absolutely key to making the rollout smooth. Each team brought a different perspective that helped us to identify potential gaps early, find practical solutions before the go live. A standout moment was, I guess, during the configuration phase, when department heads realized just how interrelated the processes were and how rate configurations impacted finance and reservations, or front office settings affected housekeeping day-to-day operation.
Since we started to use Shiji PMS system, the overall communication between the departments, reception and either maintenance, it's improved it massively as everything is recorded on the system. Even we have a track if we have any issue in the room repeatedly, so we can track and see how often it's happening.
The night team used to spend lots of time, I can say about 2.5 hours, by collecting information so they can prepare their reports and send them out to the management team in the morning. At the moment, it's only 45 minutes. All their reports coming automatically and collected by you download everything. So you have it in a report, you just double check, make sure that everything is correct before you send them out.
So the Infrasys is connecting to the Digital Dine through our application. So we already had the Sunborn London application before. Digital Dine, and the guests can order from their room. The order is after the payment, it straight goes to the kitchens. It's just checking what you need, pay, and you will receive. Through the phones, what I'm experiencing is that we're more user-friendly the more time we have on the floor, so the more time we have interact with the guests. I like to say that I have one word to describe actually the system is possibilities. All program has their limits, and eventually you just don't find any more possibilities. Here I didn't get to the end of it yet. I still find new things in it.
Since the go live, having a single guest profiles really helps the team, helps them to identify guest needs, their preferences, to be able to cater for their stays, to make their stays more memorable rather than losing the information in different and separate profiles that they used to have before. I think every hotel tries to avoid going through that process as much as possible, just because it's such a huge task to go through. So having the knowledge and expertise of Shiji implementation team, I think that made the whole process a lot more easier than it normally could be. The support that we received, every answer that we actually got, regardless of how many times you would ask the question, I think it just made the team really supported.
In reality, whatever time we spend on creating the transfer and making all the changes, we are gaining it now by having that new technology that allows us to do quite a lot more than we were able to do before. It's a painful process while you're doing it, but once you've done it, you wonder why that you stay with old technology that didn't work for you for that long period of time.
I think that's always a move forward to involve technology in your day-to-day operation, and having so many different solutions that can actually help enhance your efficiency, your team's efficiency, allowing that time for them to spend with the guests, to come up with new ideas, to be able to attend the guests and meet them rather than being behind the screen all of the time. Now it just become a phrase that everybody uses. The huge thank you and thanking for bringing the whole hotel to the 21st century, as it should be.